Hello everybody, welcome again to a new do-it-yourself at home nail art. Hello guys, yes we are back and we are back with a new shemodern video because you know already that shemodern sent me 4 of her amazing reusable stencil sheets. So let me show them to you. So here is the first. They are really amazing, guys. I have tried them out already. Look at that, and the fourth one is laying right here. Let me take this one out. We're gonna play with this one today. So we're gonna try out 3 different designs. I think the hearts, the drops, and this ovals. Maybe this, the drops and the hearts. We're gonna see it. So I have a bunch of colors ready to play with, but I wanna do a little bit. I wanna do it a little bit different. I want to try if it is possible to put the stencil on a stamping plate and put it this way on the nail. I think the result is gonna be a lot crisper that way. So yeah, that is what we are going to try today. So let me clean off my desk so we can start to play. And we are back, guys. I have prepared 3 nails to play with. The first thing that I'm going to do is give them a nice background with some lovely shemodern colors. The first nail that I'm going to make the background for is with a blue pearlescent, the green pearlescent, and the yellow pearlescent. So let's begin with my first nail. But before we gonna apply my powders, we need one important thing. We need our glue gel. So let's give it a nice coat of my glue gel. I'm gonna do it for all the 3 of my nails, and then you're gonna see me back to put on all the pigments. Look at that, guys. Oh my god, it looks amazing. So now we can play with the vinyls. So I'm gonna take this one out. Just like that. Here is the nice stencil that we are going to use. Just like that. Now we are ready to play. I'm gonna use my Mushy Stamper nail stamping station from Bundle Monster. It's the first time ever that I use this big guy. I never used this one before, so yeah, very curious. Ooh, there's also a scraping card in it. I even don't know this. Okay, so we're gonna take this huge one out. I'm gonna remove this. Ooh, it's very sticky. That's good. Okay, let's try to clean it. It's so sticky, guys. Okay, I think this side is better. I'm gonna try it with this one. If it not works, then I'm going to try it with my little stamper, guys. Ooh. Maybe this holographic, pink holographic on the green one. I want a little bit of contrast. Oh yeah, this one is nice. So let's put this one over here. So I just go to spread the glitters out over this stencil. Very easy to do. You really don't need a lot, guys. This is why I love shemodern a lot, because once you have your product, you can do ages with it. A little bit more at the bottom here. You want to have a nice pattern, so I'm just gonna stick it on. Yeah, baby, I like it. I think it's going to work, guys. Ooh, I'm so happy. Okay, for the next one, I have 3 colors left. Okay, maybe the green. Let me see. Okay. I think we're gonna use the green on the last nail, so I'm gonna use this silver gray iridescent. Can you see it? Yes. So we're gonna put this on this second nail, the neon nail. There we go. Ooh. This one is a little bit runny, so just spread it over your decal. Let's try it with this tool first. Okay, so I brushed away all the excess because we don't want the excess. And let's take this away. Oh my god, guys! Look at that! Whoa! This looks stunning! Whoa! Okay, it works. Now we are sure. Okay, let's take my first nail. Let's see if we also can get it onto my nail. Now, I can choose to go like this, or should we go like this? Let's do crazy. Let's do like this, guys. Just roll it over. Whoa! Look at this, guys. Whoa, it really looks stunning. see for the second one with the little hearts. We're gonna just do it straight with this one. So we're gonna put them up, pushing down and rolling over. Wow! Oh my god, guys, can you even see this amazing result? Oh my god, there are no flaws. It is just perfect the way that I want it to be. Oh my god, I love this way. Okay, so now for this one, let's see, maybe the little drops. Let's go for this little drops. I'm wondering, can we do a combination of two? This must be fun. Okay, let's try the green. Okay, let's try the green. Being careful here. I'm gonna try to do a sort of pattern with the green and the gray. Now the gray. I know we must be careful with this gray. It comes out really fast. Okay, I think this one is going to look Christmas-like. I don't know. Okay, so now let's spread it out. Oh yeah, baby. It's going to be amazing. I can see it already. Okay, so where is my brush? We're gonna brush away my excess. And let's pull it off. Let's see. Whoa, this looks amazing. Can you see it, guys? Oh my god, this looks stunning. Okay. Let's put this one also on this nail. Push and roll. Oh my god, it looks amazing. Okay, look at this, guys. Okay, I'm gonna try if you can see it a little bit better when I dim this light. But check this result, guys. Oh my god. Oh, check how crisp this nails are. I am so happy. So can you use a stamping head to apply this background vinyls? Yes, you can use your stamping head. You have seen me doing it. You have seen also the result. You can even mix and match the colors like I did with this one. I hope you can see. Here I have used the silver gray and the green iridescent, very beautiful. But look at this result. So now you have a nice nail, a nice background nail to make something beautiful on it if you want. You can also wear it just the way it is right now. It's also looking stunning. So yeah, this was what I want to try, and I think we have a success in our hands. Let me know, what do you think of this way? Do you also gonna try it out or use it? And let me know in the reactions on Facebook. Remember, if you want to give me one comment, go to my Facebook page. I gonna leave a link in the info box below, and just leave a comment in my Facebook account so I can read it and I can apply to you. So this was it for today. I really hope you like this video and I hope to see you again in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. You can press on my little logo that you are seeing on the end. And yeah, let's be friends. Let's support each other. En voor nu, geef deze beertjes een brul. And stay sassy. Bye.